Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset your JBL Wave 300. Okay, so first of all, as you can see, I'm connected with my phone, everything is fine. We have to grab two earbuds and focus on these two touch control panels. We have to click right here quickly 2 times, and then we have to hold these touch control panels for 5 seconds until these indicators right here quickly blink 4 times on the blue color, and this connection will disappear. So take a look, you have to make it really quick. So 3 taps, click and hold. Oh no, it was 2 taps. One more time. So 1, 2, click and hold. Okay, as you can see, the connection disappear. Right now, when you put them back to the case, close the case, and after a few seconds open and take them out, they will be in the pairing mode after a few seconds. Take a look. As you can see right now, when we click on them right here, we will be not back with our connection. We will get the new pairing request. So it means that the currently connection was forget. And right now we are able to set them up for another time. And there it is, we are paired back. So one more time, to pair from the hard reset of JBL Wave 300, you have to use the control panels. You have to click right here 2 times quickly, and after these 2 taps, you have to hold it for 5 seconds, both earbuds. After this indicators blink 3 times quickly. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.